Like any other birds in the sanctuary, at sundown, the black-crowned night heron couples left the birdlings squirming on the nest. The couples fly to far distant lakes where foods are available. The birdlings are left scrambling over leaves of trees that their tender beaks could reach. But the birdlings have to wait for the parent birds the whole overnight. Then, at sunrise, the black-crowned night herons couples paint the horizon as they fly back to the sanctuary, bringing food for their birdlings. The male bird couple come and feed the young ones ahead. In the feeding, the stronger birdlings usually get the food ahead, while the weaker ones gets only the leftover, if in case there is one. Then the female bird came to feed the other young ones. At times, the prey is much larger, and the young birdlings could hardly swallow. When the mother birds found her young unable to swallow the food, she herself ate the prey, leaving the young still hungry to wait for another dawn. Sometimes, the rufous heron comes to the nest during feeding time. To take a share of the food. The mother heron does not want the guest ruffles get a share, instead making same disgusting gesture towards the rufous. But the visiting rufous show a kind gesture. When the mother heron left, the rufous perching near the nest take a watchful eyes over the youngs. The rufous becomes a caretaker.
Because of their numbers, intensive hunting activities inside the sanctuary became a problem to me. My life is threatened protecting these birds.
The phenomenal influx of birds prompted the Malanas to refer it to the local government units of the city,
thus prompting me to attend an SP session to solicit help in whatever way they can.
Eventually, the city government made it official as it declared the area,
passed a resolution declaring my place Baras Bird Sanctuary in August of 2002, created the city's Wildlife Conservation and Protection Ordinance, the following year. With the 10-year lease agreement in effect starting June 8, year 2005 between the city government of Tacurong through Mayor Lino O. Montilla and the Malana family, there is therefore a need to continue maintaining the operation and development of Baras Bird Sanctuary as an ecotourism destination. Started to conduct educational tours for students and bird watchers.
Bird watching may be an unconventional pastime for most, but for enthusiasts, it is said to be a lifetime ticket to the theater of nature.
It's very extraordinary and informative. You will find peace here.
Talaga pong hindi ako makapaniwala nung sinabi sa akin na may bird sanctuary. But when I saw them, talagang wala akong masabi talaga. Talagang there is really a God who really created them.
Katok mga anak ito, ang lini kayo ang takit kispid, dasan kami estrat, mga anak daw ito, ang lini kayo kuda, dasan kayo
At Baras Bird Sanctuary, you have a close encounter with the birds, so that you can observe their activities without the aid of a binocular. To safeguard the interest of the public and the visiting tourist, the city government conducts regular massive blood tests among the falls to ensure that the birds in the sanctuary is free from birds flu. Now, in over 20,000 heads and 7 kinds of herons and egrets, making habitat in the sanctuary. The Baras Bird Sanctuary is one of the city's tourist destinations.